Good day again, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so ngayon naman we're going to maintain or check the level of our brake fluid for our Corolla 9th generation. Alright, so this is for Corolla Altis in the Philippines, in the US, and not some other part of the world. It is known as Corolla CE, year 2001 model up to 2000, early 2007. Okay, so naka-open na yung hood, ano? So alam niyo naman siguro mag-open ng hood natin. Now, sa ating car, ito ang brake fluid reservoir. Okay? So nakalagay dito kung anong klaseng brake fluid ang inyong gagamitin. So sa atin, in this car, it uses .3. Yan, .3 brake fluid. Okay. And we are using also .3 brake fluid. Okay, so para walang sakit ng ulo, always use the recommended brake fluid. Okay, so itong brake fluid na ito yung sobra doon sa nilagay ng talyer na aking pinagpaayusan ng brake nung nakaraan. So ang ating gagawin ngayon is to check the level, kasi nag-adjust yan after how many days na ginamit natin. Okay, so we have two levels here, and you can see by the wording here, it's max, it says. And we also have the other side another max again. Okay, now dalawang max yan, and ibig sabihin yung brake fluid natin di dapat lalampas dun sa level na ito. Okay, pero pag kulang, all you have to do is to top it up. Sa akin medyo parang kulang yata. Okay, alright, so let's top it up. Now just a hint, or just a note, be careful with the brake fluid because this is highly corrosive. Tsaka nakakasira ito ng paint, so ilayo nyo ito sa mga painted areas. Just a little. Okay, so I think it's enough. Alright, so that's it. Now let's put on the cover, and then let's put back the cover. Ayan, just push it down, tulak mo lang yung pababa, siguro din nakakapit yan. And that's it, ganun lang, simple, di ba? Okay, so if you are a new car owner or a first time car owner para sa model na ito, then at least these pieces of maintenance, simple maintenance, will help you out para naman mapangalagaan mo ang iyong sasakyan. Okay, right, so thank you for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Lahat ng videos na in-upload ko dito, all the videos that I upload on this channel are for us, yung mga owners or users ng Corolla 9th generation. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.